Chickas. Come on. You ready to eat? You can go. Alright, this is my our little coop that we have for them. This is a run I built from when they're little babies. They're over there right now. They're out there doing their little thing, and that's Mother Dog Unitas. But yeah, this is their little coop. I built them cheap, made it from Home Depot, like the fencing, the chicken fencing. And I actually have chicken wire on top of the actual thicker fencing. But I did put a tarp on it. I actually had a tarp on this whole thing, but I noticed it was keeping the ground more damp, so yeah, very simple. I mean, their feet in there, the water, and I put the tarp I had on top of here, I put it on top of their house for a little bit more protection. And that's actually a pretty cool coop. But they're over here. I've had them for about 6 months, and I had them since they were like 1 week old. I got them in July of 2020, and they're Buff Orpingtons. So that's kind of like where they like to dig around. Like, what are you doing? Put a real Christmas tree in there. Yeah, this is where they kind of just get in the dirt and mess around. Really nice. She has rye tail. She's got a little limp, but we're not breeding her, so she's gonna live a little happy life. I'm sure she'll still produce some eggs, but she's one of the nicer ones. But they're all pretty nice now. I'm like, what are you doing? And you can kind of tell that these right here started laying. She's one of our bigger ones. They're all sisters. They came from the same, I guess, where I got them all together at the same time. What you want, girl? But and that is actually their compost area. That's where I put some of their compost from their coop. And this is the back side of it. So it's really secure. They got plenty of yard to run around. But they actually laid their first eggs 2 days ago, and they're quite. You can tell the difference from backyard eggs from I guess the getting them from the store. Yeah, here they are. As of January 2021, they are 6 months old. These being chickens. Let's see if they come. Oh, chick. I think that one's the main one. As you can see, you got Unitas back there and a German Shepherd named Waka, and they don't mess with them. What is this? But yeah, this is my first time owning them and actually raising them from 1 week old, so it was a lot of work, but I got it done. And look at them now. And like the two big ones right there, they started laying 2 days ago, so really cool. Really don't have names, I just call them chickas, and they kind of come. So I'll let y'all go back to what y'all are doing. And there's a lot of them. Keeps the hawks away. Oh, he's got himself a log. And there's Unitas over there. But yeah, this is our little area, like I said. Very simple. I have some jasmine growing on the fence, but it is winter now, so all of it's kind of dying off. But they got a coop with a little run inside, and I made them the big run when I have to keep them inside and I have people over, and then normally I'll just let them free range and do their thing. So I guess y'all guys take it easy.
Cheeky. Hey! What are you doing? Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing? What is going on? Hi, chickies. Choco.